In this video, I will show you how to upload message card on ShineOn. First, log into your ShineOn account. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on Catalog to open up the full list of products. From here, scroll through and select any item you would like to customize. Once you've chosen your product, click on Create Your Product to start editing. Next, click on Select Files. Now choose the message card you want to upload from your computer or folder. After a moment, you will see your design appear right on the screen, showing that it's been uploaded successfully. Once that's done, scroll all the way down to the Product Images section. Here you will see your product automatically displayed with the message card included, so you can preview exactly how it will look. And that's how to upload message card on ShineOn.